Hello learners, have a nice day. Welcome to online class from Blue Stars Higher Secondary School. This is the class for 4th standard subject English. Students, today we are going to discuss about countable noun and uncountable noun. Okay? Let's start with countable noun. Countable noun is nothing but a countable noun is a noun that can be counted. For example, car, book or flower. The countable noun has both singular and plural form. For example, car, cars. Car is a singular. Yes, car is a singular form and cars is a plural form. Book, books. Book is a singular form and books is a plural form. Students, remember that singular verbs are used with singular countable nouns. What is that? Singular verbs are used with singular countable nouns, while plural verbs are used with plural countable nouns. For example, my cat is playing. What is the sentence? My cat is playing. Here, cat is singular countable noun. Cat is singular countable noun. And is singular verb. Okay. And one more example. My cats are hungry. My cats are hungry. Here, cats is plural countable noun. A-R-E are plural verb. Have you understood, students? Yes. Now, let's study about uncountable noun. What is an uncountable noun? Yes. Anything that cannot be counted is an uncountable noun. Think, students. Can we count milk, water, sugar? No, we cannot count these. So, these are uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are always singular. What is? Uncountable nouns are always singular and should be used with a singular verb. For example, honesty is the best policy. So, we don't say honesty or the best policy, right? And one more example. This news is very important. We cannot say this. This news are very important. So, uncountable nouns cannot use a, an or number before them. It means you cannot use an article with an uncountable noun. For example, we need electricity to use our heater. What is the sentence? We need electricity to use our heater. Here, electricity is an uncountable noun. So, we cannot say an electricity. Okay? So, now you are going to learn countable and uncountable noun detailedly in upcoming video. Thank you.